Hi everyone, here is my Peeps family tree. So the first one, I'll start with myself. I was born in 1992 in Ringgold, Georgia, and I currently have a Master's of Science in Elementary Education, and I'm a second grade teacher. I hope to finish up with my Education Specialist degree in December of this year. I am married and I have one son. And I have grown up and lived in Chatsworth my entire life. I moved away to college to go to Shorter in Rome, but I came right back home. I will start with my dad's line first. So my dad is Randy Davis, and he was born in Gilmer County in 1959. He has a high school diploma, and he is a department manager at Mohawk Industries. He has two children, and that is my brother and myself. My brother is 36. He's 10 years older than me. His dad was Cletus Davis. He passed away almost 16 years ago. He was born in Gilmer County in Ellijay in 1930. He was in the Army, and he was part of the Korean War. He worked at Galaxy Carpet, which was bought by Mohawk. He has 4 children and was born in Ellijay and stayed in Ellijay for several years. And then, due to working in Murray County, they moved to Murray County until 1979, and they moved back to Gilmer County where he lived till he passed away, and my granny still lives there. His parents are Arvil Davis and Annis Dotson Davis. They have both passed away. Arvil Davis was a surveyor, and Annis was a stay-at-home mom and wife. They had 6 children together. And then I'm not sure what my great-grandmother's parents' names were, but they were Dotsons. And then my Grandpa Davis was, his parents were Samuel Davis and Kansas Dover Davis. And then going on with my granny, on my dad's side, she is Shirley Logan Davis, and she was born in 1938. She has a high school diploma. She worked for Galaxy Carpet, and she worked on a farm after working at Galaxy. She also has 4 children with my grandpa. And she was born in Gilmer County in 1938 and still lives in Ellijay, which is Gilmer County. Her parents were Claude Logan and Belle Woods Logan. Claude Logan was born in 1911. He was a sawmill worker, and he and Grandma Logan had 7 children together. Grandma Logan was a stay-at-home mom, and she worked in the chicken plant after all of her children moved out of the house. My great great grandpa Logan was J.W. Logan, and then Adelie Logan. And an interesting fact, if you know anything about Ellijay or Gilmer County, my great great grandpa J.W. Logan actually owned the whole side of 282 for many years, from there until to the Dairy Queen. So that was something interesting, I thought. And then Adelie Logan was his wife. And then Belle Woods Logan, her parents are Jesse Woods and Adelie Woods. Then going on to my mom's family tree. My mom was born in Murray County, Georgia in 1966, which is where we currently live. She has a high school diploma. She is a kindergarten paraprofessional. She has 2 children, my brother and I. And she does not know her real father. We know his name was Jimmy Dupree, but any other information, we don't know anything about him. He actually left my mom and her brother whenever they were very, very young. So she doesn't have any information about him and has never heard from him. My nanny's side of the family, which is Hazel Holloway Smith, she has a bachelor's degree in nursing. She was a nurse and now she is retired. She has 4 children, one set of twins. Actually, one of the twins passed away from a rare form of cancer at a very young age. She was born in Murray County in 1945, and she still lives in Murray County, and she has remarried. She married Jerry Smith, who she married very late in her life. She was in her 60s when they got married. Her mom is Clara Beam Holloway. She was born in 1905, and she picked cotton on a cotton farm, and she had 3 children, and her parents were Malcolm Beam and Dora Henson Beam. My nanny, Hazel Holloway Smith's father, is Dave Holloway. He was actually much older than my mama, Clara Beam Holloway. He had 2 families due to the age gap between him and my mama, Clara Beam Holloway. At one point in his life, he fled to Florida due to trying to escape from being convicted for murder. He came back at one point and he passed away after returning back to Murray County. He passed away when my nanny, Hazel Holloway Smith, was 5 years old. His parents were Joseph Holloway and Adonia Holloway.